Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rachel. I am a part-time reseller on sites like Poshmar, eBay, and Mercari. And I'm back today with another 90-day update on a Jomar box that I bought this time. This was a kids or a girls mixed clothing box. And if you're new here, I do unboxing videos. I source all the time from online sites like Jomar and like ThreadUp, and every time I unbox the video, I do it real time just to show you guys what came inside. And then I circle back 90 days later after I've actually had everything listed on all the platforms for 90 days to tell you guys what actually sold, where it sold, how much it sold for, and how much or how long it took to sell. So if you guys are interested in these updates, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do an unboxing, and then pretty much every unboxing will get a 90-day update. So I would love to share with you my future updates. So drop this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the little bell if you want to make sure you don't miss any videos. And we'll get right into it. So this was back in April. It was like the end of April or mid-April. I did a Jomar kids box, or it was a girls box. And it was mixed clothing, mixed sizes. I paid, I have the cost at $73, which is the cost of the box plus the cost of shipping. Most likely I had some kind of coupon because I rarely buy anything from Jomar at regular price. And I listed a total of 17 items out of this box in total. And my total cost of goods, because I take the price of the box and then I divide it by the number of items I actually listed. And so I have $3.65 is my total cost. So I'll put up over here the original box if you guys want to see the original unboxing and what all came in the video. I'm not going to show you the stuff that I didn't end up listing, but I am going to show you everything that sold, and I'll show you a couple things that I still have listed. So starting with the top, and this is not my photo, by the way, because again, eBay, and if you've watched my previous update videos, I keep having this problem. eBay only holds your solds for 90 days for you to view them. And I'm a little over 90 days in filming this. So when I went to go grab a screenshot, of course it's not there. But this photo is just someone else that had the same sweater. So I wanted to show you how nice this sweater was. This was an Aqua cashmere leopard print sweater. It was cashmere. I imagine this was in the box because it had a chewed hem, and I'm guessing it was like a pass, like someone passed on it thinking it was damaged, but actually it wasn't damaged. It was actually like basically brand new. It had no flaws. The hem was supposed to be that way, but I expected this was gonna sell very quickly, and it did. It sold within 5 days on eBay for $26. So my profit ended up being $17.15 on this one. This is one of those things I wish that it was my size. I probably would have kept it. It was a very nice sweater, but yep, so that was the first thing, or the most profitable item. Then there's this pink handkerchief dress, which, by the way, I bought this box to really try to gain some traction on Kidizen. I don't have kids. I'm not super familiar with kids anything, so I wanted to not only hopefully get some good, decent kids brands that I could research so that I know what to look for at the thrift store when I'm out thrifting, and I was hoping to gain a little bit of traction and bring my number of feedbacks up on Kidizen. So that was kind of my thought process behind purchasing this box and listing the items in this box. This next one is a pink, it's really cute handkerchief kind of midi dress. I had to research this one. The brand is Lemon Love Slime. I'd never heard of it, but the comps were decent. It ended up selling on Mercari for $19 with free shipping. So my profit was $11.55. That one did sit for a little while. Got close to the 90-day mark, but not quite. It was super adorable. Oh, and it was helpful that a lot of the stuff in this box was kind of more spring and summery, which was the season we were getting into. And this was right along with it. Like maybe April was a little soon for it, but it sold in June, which makes perfect sense. The next one is this. This was probably one of my favorite things out of the box, this little Moo Mini. So it's Show Me Your Moo. It was brand new with tags. It was a size 2T. And I guess Show Me Your Moo has like matching dresses, like the mom and the baby dress are like, you know, it's the same dress, but one's for the baby. So this was the baby version. It didn't retail for very much. It was like $44, but it was still on their website. So I didn't list it quite that high because I wanted to sell it. I listed it for $30 and I got an offer for $25. At the time I was offering free shipping on Poshmar. I went ahead and just took it because again, it was only selling for $44 on the website. So I wasn't sure how much I was really going to get for it. So I went ahead and took it. My profit was $8.90. In hindsight, I probably should have maybe like asked for a little more or not sold it quite for free shipping. I don't know, but we learn, right? But I'll still take the $8.90 for that. The next one was this beautiful yellow floral printed dress. It was from Gap Kids. I liked this one too. It just screamed like spring and summer and sold in June. It took a little while, but I did end up getting $15 for it on eBay, which is not bad considering, I mean, it was from Gap. So, and the buyer paid the shipping. So $8.35 on that. Then there was this tan jacket from Zara Kids, which I actually listed as boys. I really think this was a boys jacket just by looking at it. But that ended up selling on Mercari as well for $15. So $8 was my profit with the free shipping on Mercari as well. This Flowers by Zoe, just in a bundle. So it sold, it was, didn't end up selling for quite the $20 I had it listed at, but you know, Poshmark doesn't show the bundle, show the price that was actually paid with the bundle. It shows the listed price. So I think I got like $18 for it, which was actually pretty good because, you know, with the shipping, with me not charging shipping, I was doing free shipping at the time. So I was able to split the cost of the shipping with the two items in this bundle. But anyway, I have this as a $7.30 profit after the shipping and the bundle discount, which is pretty good because I kind of just listed this one originally thinking it would be one of my like make my money back items. The comps were not great on it, so the bundle sale actually really helped that out. The one and only Kitizen sale, of course, because I wanted to sell all this stuff on Kitizen, and only one thing actually sold on Kitizen, and it was these base layer Patagonia pants, the Capilene 3. So I would pick these up at the thrift store too, though. I mean, anything Patagonia, especially if it's like the base layers or the ski items, the cold weather items, they always sell great. I sold them for $13 on Kitizen, which is not super great, but they were just like little boys and they're just a base layer, so that's not actually all that bad. The next one was a romper from Gap Kids again, but I don't have the listing because it was on eBay and it did sell on eBay within like a week. But it was a really cute blue romper. It had little stars all over it. That sold for $10. Again, it was Gap Kids. I wasn't expecting miracles, but I mean, $10 was $10. And to sell within a week, I certainly just took it. Then we have this Zara Girl cut off little mini skirt. This sold for $10 on Mercari. This retro brand tie-dye hoodie, I actually listed as women's. I don't think this was kids. I mean, maybe it said small, and so like maybe it was a juniors brand. I don't really know, but I listed it as women's. It was definitely not a little girl small. That sat around for a while. Well, actually it didn't. It sat around for just over a month, and I accepted the $9 offer I got on Mercari just because it really didn't have any interest anywhere else. So I just went ahead and took it, especially because I wasn't entirely sure if it was juniors or women's or kids or what. So I just was like, okay, someone wants it, they can just have it. Then there's these skinny jeans from Denim & Co. Sold for $8 on Mercari. So really just recovering my money on that one. The profit was $2.75. And then I had a pair of blank NYC cutoff high-waisted shorts. Again, I don't have a thing to put over here for you guys, but you get the idea. They were cut off denim shorts, blank NYC, $6 on eBay. I just took it again to make my money back. So that's everything that actually sold out of this box. Some of the things that I didn't list, I feel like this box, and if you go back and watch the original video, there were a lot of things that just were not, like, you would never list them. I mean, maybe if you did like a bundle, if you had a bunch of one size, but I just didn't. Some of the stuff that I still have though, I have this Cash little fur coat, which is adorable. It's in great condition, but I can't really be mad that it didn't sell in the middle of summer. This little pink skirt from J. Crew, it's new with tags. Maybe I'll get some hits on it around Halloween. No interest really. And I think I had it priced really high just because it was new with tags, but I don't think I'm gonna get what I originally had it priced at. So I did lower the price quite a bit since then. And then I have this retro dress, and this, I feel like, again, it's gonna maybe be a Halloween thing. Couldn't find much on the brand, couldn't find any comps, but it looks like a go-go dancer or something, like from the 50s or the 70s, or I don't know. I feel like that's got to have the right buyer. So that stuff is still hanging out along with a couple other pieces. So the box in total, I spent $73 on it. So far, after 90 days, I've made $55 in profit. So I'm just short of doubling my money. Would I buy this box again? Now, my goal is to triple my money in 90 days. I think I might get close to triple, probably not right up to triple. But after 90 days, to me, it's kind of stale. Like, I need to move it out and I need to get more stuff, new stuff in here. I have limited space. So it's not really doing me any good to have it here more than 90 days, even if it means making a few dollars on it. So would I buy this box again? I mean, let's be honest, probably, because I just like to buy boxes of stuff and see what's in them. They're learning opportunities for me. But just based on the profit and the amount of work it took, no. Maybe if I had a little girl and I knew that there were going to be some things I could pull out of it to like let her have, but to resell, it wasn't the best. I mean, it wasn't terrible. I did make my money back and then some, but you guys remember, we are not in the business of making our money back. If you buy a box of anything and your goal is to make your money back, like, you're really, like, it must just be a hobby for you, because your goal should not be to make your money back. Your goal should be double, triple, quadruple what you spent, whatever you want to set as your goal. I say triple, but I put a time restriction on it. Because it doesn't do any good to just sit here to sell for $10, right? It just doesn't make sense. So yeah, I made some money, but the work I put into this wasn't worth the money I made on it. So, you know, it is what it is. Some of the boxes are better than others. This one was okay at best. So I hope you find that helpful. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the stuff that sold for me out of this box. Jomar has a really big rotation of boxes, so I don't even know if this one would be available again, but I'm interested to know, have you ever purchased kids clothing, pre-owned clothing from Jomar? I would love to hear your experience. Drop it in the comments. Let me know what your experience was. Again, consider subscribing to my channel, please. I would love to have you for future videos and other reseller content, like, you know, what sold videos and unboxing videos and just my reseller life in general. But that is it for this one. I will catch you in the next one.